Hi guys, welcome back. It's Monday the 27th of June and I am on the car park just where the range is. You can see the range there and Waterloo Road's there, and I'm here to show you the progress for the new ambulance hub that is being built here on Waterloo Road. So at the back now, I'm stepping through nettles here to show you this bit, so you can see that is the side of the hub. I'm guessing that's going to be parking for the other ambulances, car park for the staff or whatever. Let's get out of here and I'm going to walk this bit. We are going to have to look at this bit through the fence because I can't get past there, look. You can get down here though. There's all kinds of like spiky things on the ground. I've got to be careful. Yeah, here's this bit's car parking. Maybe the other side's going to be something different, I don't know. That looks to be the car parking place, and I guess there's an electric cable below. That's what that yellow tape says. That's going to be the parking bit. So let's walk down to here and take a look at the actual build. The sun is in probably the worst position to film from this side, but it will be alright when we get round the corner. There's a porter cabin there at the back. That's where the staff will be housed and the builders, and that's the site office. I can see a sign on it saying site office. If you look through there, you can see the building now is super duper taking shape. Steelworks are up. There's some what looks like cladding on the top bit there. You can see that. We go further down, and if we go to the very bottom, we can see we have bricks. So yeah, this building is really coming along. And all down here, you can see there is lots more parking. But we're going to walk around. All the best views to be had, I would think, will be around the other side. So I wanted to start from this side just to show you the back. We get to see behind the new build. Take one more look through here. There we go, look at that. You can see there is quite a lot of parking from the looks of things. So let's keep walking around the side. Plenty of building materials still stacked up. Lots of weeds and spiky bushes, blackberry bushes. My garden gets full of these. And I tried to pull them all up, but it's like they're unkillable. You can't get rid of them. I tried to pull them all up by the roots, but they're just always come back. There we go. This will be a good view. We can see from the side, that's the back of the site. You can see where the parking is and the site office at the end. I'm going to move to here and look through this bit of fence. You can see the back of the building. You can see the top bit there, and we can see the side. It is really coming along now. Well, the outside is obviously, there's not going to be any work done on the inside until the outside's finished. That's what it's going to be like when it's finished, although the sun is shining on that picture, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it a lot. Anyway, let's keep going. I'm going to walk a bit and check out the view through the fence, and walk a bit more and check out the view through the fence, and carry carry on doing that until we've seen the whole thing. You see the back there of the building, but now we can see this side, which we couldn't see at all from the back. The skips there, Blackpool skip higher and Lytham St Anne's skip higher. Two big builders skips, lots of building materials and stuff lying around. More of this, is it plasterboard? It looks like plasterboard. Oh, we can take a look now at the sides of the building, we can get a really good view there of that. He's moving along now super fast, and I've not filmed this for a while. Lots of this mesh stuff here. Somebody told me what this was for and I can't remember anymore. There's lots of it. You can hear all the plastic sheets blowing in the wind. You zoom in, you can see them blowing in these entrances. Can you see that? You can just hear them flapping in the wind. Lots of paving stones there, all stacked up. Or are they bricks? I think they're bricks, I'm not sure. Maybe they're like paving edging. I'm not sure. Let's look at the building anyway from this angle now. That's a new angle to look at. There we go. That's good. Now we've just got to walk round and take a look at the front. Lots more of these pipe, tube things, whatever you call them, poly pipe. That's what it says there. Poly pipe. Plain ended. So there we have some plain ended poly pipe. Rigid drain. Looks to me like a 225mm poly pipe, that one does. And that is the Waterloo Road side of the hub. I'm guessing the front will be on Waterloo Road, because that bit there looks like it will be the entrance. Doesn't it? That looks like it's going to be the entrance. And yeah, that's it for the front. I will walk around this side as well, so you'll get to see this side. I'm not going to go all the way around though, because the sun's going to be so far in my face I won't be able to see anything. But I will try and show you all the sides of the build. See some nice machinery there. The dumpster there. The big diggy thing there. And not going to be able to see the side from here because the machinery is in the way, so we are going to have to go further down to get a look at that. It's about from there. Camera through there. Ah, there we go, that is a good side view. Perfect. And there we can get a good view of the rest of the site. Look at that. It's the other side again this time. Fence in the way, but we can still see. There is a lot going on. And that's the other poster of the finished hub. And you'll be able to see that better because the sun's not shining on it. Look, there you go. New ambulance hub facility due for completion December 2022. So yeah, that is it for this update. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please just hit the like button if you enjoyed it. And I will see you all very soon in the next one. Goodbye.